today we're going to open up this package because I got one in earlier this week from Rodney, and I haven't had time to open it so far, so here we go. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. But every once in a while, we get a mail call, and I'm also going to do a train show haul. Okay, this is what I picked up at the train show last Saturday. Okay, this is a little bit late because we've been busy. And this is the first opportunity that I had to do a video for you. So, what did I do with it? Okay, here it is. All right, so this is from Hot Rod Rodney. He sent this in. I won a contest some time ago. It's been a long time ago. And my X-Acto blades and everything else are packed away, so I got to use my fingers to open this up, and I hope I didn't damage it when I was fumbling with it. But here we go. We have a Walters Mainline St. Clair Blue Water Route PHD 50-foot ACF exterior post boxcar, Port Huron and Detroit number 1048. And that's this right here. Okay. I hope you can see that really good. It's got some nice looking couplers on there. It's got the, I'm assuming, fully assembled turned metal wheel sets, Proto Max metal knuckle couplers is what it says on there. So it's Proto Max. Okay, so what else does it say on here? Built for the long haul, Walters Mainline cars and locomotives deliver durable, dependable construction at prices you can afford, especially when it's free. Okay. Available in a wide variety of schemes and road numbers, Walters Mainline makes building a diverse roster of equipment easy and fun. Models endure frequent service at home or club operating sessions without needing to be shopped. Quality, value, and variety. That's Walters Mainline. And here's the QR code on the back and the barcode on the back, if you can see it. That is the number on it. So thank you very much, Rodney, for the PhD boxcar. All right. I don't win very much because I don't enter very many contests, and I didn't even know I won this until Rodney informed me that I won it, but it was a while ago. So thank you very much, Rodney. I really appreciate it. And what else are we going to do today? I picked up some stuff at a train show last week. Now, we were at Pinellas Park at the Knights of Columbus, Lopez Hall. And let me get these things out of here. They're wrapped up in bubble wrap. So let me get those out of there, two of them. And then one of them is in a box. And, well, it's not the right box. But anyway, he had 3 box cars up there. Well, he had a bunch of box cars. He was asking $10 a piece. So here's one. Let me get some light down here on this. We got a Cracker Jack. Let me get this a little bit closer so you can see it. And it's got the knuckle couplers on there. And it's got the plastic wheels on there. And this is the older ones with the cables on the bottom to keep the bottom straight. So I'm assuming maybe this is either a 36 or a 40-foot boxcar, somewhere around, the early 1900s, I'm assuming. And it's a reefer. So you see the little, they're they're molded on there, so they're not able to open them. Okay, the next one is Lindsay Brothers. I'm going to have to read it off the screen here. Agricultural implements, binder, twine, and vehicles. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Chicago, and Milwaukee, and St. Paul. The same size. This is a regular boxcar. Wood sides, wood ends with the knuckle couplers. Okay, all the ladder and everything. All the detail is molded into it. Okay, it's got a metal bottom on it. Now this is a newer style because it doesn't have the sway cables on the bottom. Okay, yeah. This is the newer model, but it's the same length as the other one. So okay, so I'm just going to assume that these are 40 foot. Okay, this one right here. Oops. Okay, right here, let's focus in on this. It's a little bit bright, so it's hard to focus on. Let me put this up a little. There we go. National Car Company, Monarch Brewing Company, Chicago, Illinois, Old Tivoli, and Bullfrog Beer. All right. Nice looking boxcar here. Same as the other one. It's molded detail on it. Wood frame. Okay, this one's got the cables on the bottom. Okay, these were independently applied and stuck through the holes in the bottom, so you can see right there. Let me see. This other one was the same way. Yeah, they did a better job with this one here. They actually used string on this one, and on this one he actually used wire on it, so you could see. I don't know if you could see it very well, but it's bent. So there you go. But anyway, they were $10, and he gave it to me for $25. I said, would you take $25 for it? And he said, sure, no problem. Okay, so that's what I got at the train show. I did a live stream at the train show also. If you want to take a look at that, go back and I'll put a link to it down here in the description. You know where that description is. And since this is about a week before we are going to pack everything up, I'm recording this on Saturday evening on the 5th. On the 13th is when we're moving everything out of here. I have just about everything packed up. We packed up all our clothes today. I brought the suitcases back from storage today. We're going to, get everything in there that we need so we could boogie on out of here on the 13th after we rent the truck. I got a company coming to fill it up. Only got a 15-foot truck, so all I got is my 2 couches. Okay, you can see it here. These 2 couches back here, and there's a table and lamp. I got this desk, that desk. What else do I got? I got the TV stand and a dresser upstairs and a bed upstairs, and that's all we got. And we got a long table in the dining room. Everything else is already out of here. We're keeping the dining room table and chairs in the hutch. We're leaving that for the buyers. And oh yeah, we got some patio furniture out there. So 15-foot truck on Sunday, taking it up to storage. From there, we got 2 days at the La Quinta in Bonita Springs, where we have to wait around on Monday for the closing. And then after that, Tuesday morning, heading on up to Maryland. And so I may do a live stream from up there. It won't be with this camera right here. It'll be with this camera right here, because I have the stuff packed away that I won't be able to hook up this camera. And I looked for it in storage and I couldn't find it. I must have packed that up pretty early and it's way in the back. So never mind. We're just going to use the Logitech 9. I think this one's the 920. I can't tell. I have a 920 and a 925. I think that one is the 920. Yeah, that one's the 920. And so that's what's going on. We'll have the live stream on Monday, the 7th. I'll try to get another video in maybe before we pack everything up. I'm going to pack up these computers during the week, and we're going to use the laptops here. I'm going to take all that stuff up to storage. I'm going to take this television up to storage. Leave the one television up in the bedroom. I might bring that one down here so we can watch it down here, because we really don't watch it up in the bedroom. But this one is mounted on the whatever the table or everything, you know, like a wall mount type thingy. So that's what's going on. We're really excited about it. They just did the appraisal on this place here on Thursday. They waited till the very last minute, so we haven't got the results back on that yet. Hopefully the FHA, and they sent a trainee, not a real appraiser. So all he did was spent 5 minutes in here taking pictures and poof, he was out. And so my real estate agent got the number of the real appraiser, and she's going to talk to them to see if they could do the real comps on this place instead of the crappy comps. So we'll know sometime next week. And on Monday, I got some rants because she let me in on a few things about the Homeowners Association. She's coming back and going to be the president next year. She's going to be back on the board, and she's going to straighten this place out right after I leave. Okay, so that's it for now. So until the next time, we'll see ya.